Hi, it's Sabrina. Join me with a lineup of incredible experts as we inspire you.
It's you transcending
to redesign your life. I love this, one small change at a time. This is the Sabrina Soto Show. Come on in. I'm so excited because today's Bring Your Best Friend to Work Day.
You only brought me for like a part of the day.
Well, if anyone follows us, you know that this is my bestie, Trish Suhr. She's a comedian, but in reality, she's a professional traveler. And one thing that you love to make fun of me about is the way I pack.
I don't make fun of you about a lot, but this one packs like a rabid squirrel.
It's bad.
And even Olivia will say, Aunt Trish, you have to help. I'm like, thank you. I love a logistic and I love a good pack.
You've got to tell everyone how we met. This is kind of funny.
True story. Thank you, Jerry O'Connell. We met trying out for a talk show together to be host with Jerry O'Connell.
Yes.
And it was so fun that I collected Sabrina. Neither of us got the job. Thanks, Jerry.
But it was like a good group of women that day.
It
Do you
was. Oh
remember?
my gosh.
Yes.
Like it was just women that you're like so stoked you got to work with. From that, I got you. And then the Sabrina was like, I watch you. I was like, I watch you.
And it's been years now.
And we didn't know our birthdays are 3 days apart, you guys.
And we travel all the time for our birthdays, which is why you know how I travel and how I pack. We do travel well together.
We travel extremely well together.
Yes.
I love traveling with this one. We can share hotel rooms, which sometimes y'all know you may be friends with somebody.
It's not fun.
You can't travel with them like that.
I want to be better, and that's why this whole intention is about hacking your life. I need the travel hacks, so let's go through them.
First things first, I only travel with hard shell luggage, and I'll give you a couple reasons why. First of all, it's harder for the airlines to destroy, number one. Number two, if you're traveling somewhere, this is what I remind everybody, I don't care what class of service you bought a ticket, your luggage is equal opportunity when it goes under the plane. So if somebody maybe was in a location that had bed bugs, your luggage is now with their same luggage under a plane. Okay. So a hard shell suitcase is your first line of defense in making sure everything you travel with is safe. So if you listen to nothing I say, y'all, listen to that one thing.
Have you ever had bed bugs?
Girl, yes, and I wanted to burn the world down. We'll cover that another show. You want to know how to test your hotel room for bed bugs right away? Everybody, listen. Get the iron out of that closet. Get your iron out. Put it to warm. Pull the sheets back on the bed and do a little figure eight on the bed. Bed bugs go right to heat. If you see little critters come right up, honey, get out. Don't unpack your suitcase, nothing. Just do the figure eight. You're welcome. Tell them Trish sent you. Okay, back to business. Then we go right into, I love packing cubes for many, many reasons. One, Sabrina likes to just pop it all in, but these are compression packing cubes. I get these online, so it's really easy. And I have in here, like there's 10 shirts in here, but it expands open, so I want you to see how much space, right? So I could still add in sweatshirts, a couple
and then you just shove it down.
Shove it down.
Okay.
Compress it up.
So that's nice.
That's nice.
That's nice.
Here's the other reason why it's great. When you have to check bags, or unfortunately TSA has to go through your luggage, they aren't touching all the clothes you're about to wear. There is a handle. They can pull it out. They can see right away, oh, this wasn't the item. So now you don't have to repack.
I never thought about that either.
I know, it's why you got me, girl.
Okay, I like that.
That's why this makes so much sense. So get you one that has a handle, easy to pull, easy to put away. Next order of business. This one, this is the other thing I love about Sabrina. She does have a whole outfit planned when we travel. She's got the earrings, she's got the ring, she's got the necklace. I, on the other hand, have never been good at that. So I have had to learn to bring my jewelry and not, look, the jewelry case.
But this is a pill pack.
Well, ain't nobody gonna try to steal your supplements, sis.
I love this.
So you can plan your outfits out. Your jewelry, rings, earrings are in there.
I really like this because then everything doesn't get tangled up.
Well, I also got another plan for you. Girl,
okay.
See, if you only paid attention when we travel, she just cusses me and says, I get this sink in the bathroom. So when you're traveling with necklaces, I know you and I both have had necklace soup when we get somewhere and you're like, get this knot out for me. I never ask her that. You know why? It's a straw. Sabrina, I've always put my necklaces through the straw.
And then that's how
and secure it.
I love that.
Secure it, never tangles up. If you want to do one step further, roll them into cling wrap. So, pop, give it a roll. Next straw, next necklace, but you can keep rolling all the necklaces in one cling wrap.
Yes.
And then what I do, because people are like, well, what happens when I get there? Don't be salty, sis. I put all the jewelry in the middle of the cling wrap. Bam, it's in the luggage. You're ready to go. So you can also rewrap when you get somewhere.
I love that. You know what? Sometimes I use plastic wrap for bottles.
I do too. And then a flight attendant, shout out to my favorite flight attendants, said, oh girl, I saw your cling wrap, because she saw me getting my suitcase. And she goes, can I tell you my hack? And I said, I love a flight attendant hack. They use balloons.
To wrap the top.
What? She goes, yeah, she goes, one of my kids had a birthday party and we had all this leftover mess. And I realized, boom, look.
It's like a hat.
It's a hat. And she goes, just pop it on. It's gripped at the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
You see that? She goes, it's going nowhere.
Look at that.
So you can throw stuff in, you have to have 14 million Ziploc bags. We are getting our lives together one hack at a time.
I love this. My sunscreen has a hat.
Right? I love it too. Okay, now we're gonna get on to the nitty gritty of things that I absolutely swear by. If you do not have an AirTag in everything that you travel with, you're doing it wrong. Okay, y'all, you put it right in your suitcase, and I'm gonna show you. You put it right in here. This is where they will usually hide laundry bags and suitcases. That is where you store your AirTag. When you get an AirTag, you pull the tab off. It'll ask you to connect it to your phone. You connect it and you name it. You know exactly where it's at all times.
I need to put one on Olivia.
Honey, put it in the bottom of her shoe. The most important thing for me, probably more than the AirTags, is this. This is a jet lag kit. It doesn't matter if you're just going West Coast to East Coast, if you're going internationally, this is it. And I will tell you, at first, they have a money back guarantee. So I was like, okay, I want my money back. But guess what? It works. So they give you the supplements portioned out. There is an app. So it'll tell you, you put in your flight information, it'll tell you when to take them per your flight times, which I love.
People are taking different supplements.
Yes, of course.
So what exactly are these?
I love that you asked. So these are done and they're divided up into your segments of flying, and it's magnesium, melatonin, electrolytes.
Vitamins and electrolytes.
Vitamins and electrolytes. They also give you dehydrated organic instant coffee.
Oh, wow.
I know. So when you need to wake up, I know it really is quite thought through, which I appreciate. You know, we love an organization moment. And then they give you some glasses to help with the circadian rhythm, which is really impressive. And I know they're not cute, so don't get Judge Judy.
No, they're cute. Can I see them?
You'll look cute. They help with your circadian rhythm, which is when our body sets and wakes up with the sun. So as much as you're traveling, how we put the shades down on a plane, these actually help with the light and dark and where we're going in the time zones. And I will tell y'all, it works.
Okay, now we're packed and ready to go on our trip.
Yes, we are. So then we're going to pop this bad boy over. Again, hard shell, you're welcome. Here's what I'm gonna show y'all. Just take your address label and put it right here so that it is there and not everybody can see it. It's hidden behind the handle. So
I like that.
So it's actually on your bag.
And your nails look great.
Thank you. The last and final tip, the last one, y'all, every single time you check your bags, every single time, take a quick photo right when you're checking the bag. If the airline, maybe they don't lose your bag, but they damaged it. What they'll say is, hey girl, sorry, but you flew with it that way. Nah. No, because guess who took a photo right before I left? Do you know how many times I have gotten fresh, brand new luggage because somebody decided to chuck mine on the tarmac? Why, thank you, it is. So I will tell y'all, that is a huge one. Just every time you get your baggage tag, right there before you put it away in some weird pocket, take a picture or video of the luggage, and it will save you every time.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
I honestly love all of those tips.